Alright you guys, just want to say thanks for checking out the video. I'm going to do a door hinge cam replacement. The refrigerator doors are making this like a popping noise, pop, pop, when you open it up, and it'll pop, pop right there. Kind of annoying, and it was, just one of those things. And turns out when you replace this right here, you get a quick, easy fix, and that popping noise goes away. You can't really tell, but the bearing wears out. Half of it is worn out, and the other half's still kind of big. So when you replace this, that'll make that popping noise go away. You need to do that. You got to take everything out of the refrigerator, off the door, not out of the whole big fridge, but remove everything from the door, and and unplug it. And you're going to have to take this top part off, a couple bolts to take off the top plate, this little plate right here. It's real easy to do. That all comes off. And hope this video helps you out. Continue watching. I just want to show you this. This is the hinge. It's the hinge cam. It's a little plastic piece. And ours is a Frigidaire. Looks like this. It's got these little grooves in it. Then you can take the screwdriver. Pop it out. And then push the new one in. Alright, well, I don't know if you saw any of that. Anyways, new hinge, new door, doesn't make the pop noise anymore. And it's kind of nice. Anyways, I hope that helps you out. Replace this bearing right here. Pretty easy. And it stops popping.